Hey, what's up, Theta Network Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Theta Network. What's the current price of Theta? What's the price change occurring in the Theta? In this video, I will show you, my friends, and what's going on in this time in the Theta. As you know, my friends, today is the cryptocurrencies crash day. The whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The whole cryptocurrencies market price change is negative, so completely lost today, my friends. Anyways, in this video I'm talking about Theta Network, so keep watching this video and I will share my personal advice, my special advice for all of you, my friends. My friends, first of all, please make sure to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about Theta Network. 6.74 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Theta Network. And as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the price change growth is very negative. The price change is going negative. Last 1 hour, last 20, last 1 week, price change in the Theta Network is completely going in the loss, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, my God. My friends, from this price chart, everyone can understand that we are in the loss or profit. That is the last 1 week, last 70 price chart of the Theta Network, and you can see here, my friends, if we look the price chart of the Theta Network, so gradually the price of Theta Network is going down. So if the price chart is going down, so this means that you're in the loss, my friends. And you know what, my friends, just look here, my friends, just focus on this time. Now the currently price is 6.78 USD dollar, and the start of this week the price of the Theta Network is 9.05 USD dollar, and look my friends, just look on the price, 9.8 USD dollar. The price is fast down from 8, 7th, again 8, and you can see here 9, 7 USD dollar. The price is fast down from 9 to 7 USD dollars, so in the last 60 minutes, and now is, you can see, 6 USD dollar. The price is fast down from 9 to 6 USD dollar in the last 1 week, so that's a bigger loss of our Theta Network holders. That is why my special advice for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Please hold, don't decide to sell. What you think about Theta Network? As you think that the price will pump in the future or not, tell me in the comment box. And my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos.